Good morning, everyone. You can hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Judge.
I'm Michelle. Mr. Moss, good morning.
Good morning, Judge.
Can I hear? Can everybody hear? I'm trying to make everybody co-host, so give me 1 second.
Norma, Joe Ray and Ryan are in the waiting room.
Okay. Let me. Judge, I sent you the MTR set for today and the one PSI set for today to
You
your
sent-
email.
Okay, well, I'll look forward now.
Hold on. Am I missing anyone else? Is everybody in?
Norma, Ryan's still waiting in the waiting room.
Who?
Ryan?
I don't see. Oh, here he is. Is Marcus Sanders here?
He's out this morning, Norma.
Okay. I'm sorry, you guys. Let me just get these people down real quick and then we'll get started. Andrew. Ryan. Yes. Coaching. Again. Impact. Roman. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let everyone in.
Morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. The first one in was Andrew. Andrew Bullock. Go ahead and unmute. I need to open up the breakout rooms. Give me 1 second.
Good morning, Mr. Froelich. Are you-
Morning, Judge. How are you? Morning, Norma.
Hello.
Please mute yourself.
Can you hear me?
Yes, mute yourself, please. I just assigned breakout rooms. Do not go into the breakout room. Okay, Andrew, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
No, my guy's not, I don't think my guy's on the docket, but he was online. He's in the system for today. His name's Mario Medellin. He missed court last Thursday. I located him. And so judge told us if you can get him in court by Tuesday, that she wouldn't issue a warrant. So he just needs to log in and not have a warrant issued.
Is he here?
I just forwarded the Zoom link to him maybe 3 minutes ago.
He hasn't logged in yet.
I can be patient.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead and close it.
Hello? Did I just put it on mute?
Yes.
Okay.
Judge Angelini, I'm glad that you learned a word besides no. Good morning.
Good morning.
Andrew Contrell, you're up next.
Okay, I'm ready whenever.
You need to go into a breakout room.
No, we're doing a sentencing this morning, remember?
Okay.
Who's it on?
Whetstone,
What? I'm sorry again?
Gregory Whetstone.
Okay.
Buenos días, ¿cómo está?
Bien,
Ms. Ferguson?
It's one of these. Oh. Is the sentence the same in both cases, Mr. Cantrell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is Mr. Whetstone on?
Same time, sir. Yes. Have a good Tuesday. Thank you, Judge. Ms. Corley is back with us second and
Mr. Cantrell, is he on?
Yes, he is, Judge. He's in jail. He's
Yeah, I know, but. I can't-
16F. 16F is what it says. Mr. Whetstone, you're on mute.
Would you speak up, Mr. Whetstone? Maybe find him.
He's on mute, Judge.
You, Mr. Whetstone?
That's him, Judge. Or he's getting somebody, it looks like. Tell him to show you how to get off of mute.
Talk to him now.
Mr. Cantrell?
Yes, we can hear you now.
Yes.
Judge Angelini is going to be your judge this morning.
Yes.
Good morning, Mr. Whetstone. My name is Raymond Angelini. I'm about to sentence you. This is
Yes.
clause number 2022 CR 1812 and 2021 CR 10251. In the latter case, you're charged pled aggravated assault, and the other one is injury to a disabled person. I'm about to sentence you in both of those cases. Before I do so, you have a right to present evidence or say anything you like on your own behalf or have your attorney speak for you.
No, sir.
Mr. Cantrell, anything?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Let's see, make sure I get it right. I'm gonna go along with the plea bargain, sir. I'm gonna sentence you to 15 years TDC, give you credit for all time served, affirmative finding family violence, run them together.
Judge, I'm sorry. I don't believe he's pled yet. If I don't, yeah.
Okay.
Getting a little ahead
Never
of.
mind. You said
Yeah.
it was a sentencing.
It is a sentencing this morning, but I'm sorry, I misspoke.
Let's start again then. This is 2022 CR 1812. State of Texas versus Gregory Whetstone. Are you Gregory Whetstone?
Yes, sir.
When you say Mr. Whetstone in that case, who's charged with the offense of, I'm sorry, injury to a disabled person. Is that you, sir? Is that you?
Sir?
Is that you who is charged with the offensive injury to an elderly?
Yes.
Disabled person? Is that you?
Yes. Yes.
Before we get started, Mr. Cantrell, have you received everything you think you're entitled to in this case?
Yes,
under
Your
our
Honor.
discovery rules?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Your Honor.
And in cause number 2021 CR 10251, are you the same Mr. Gregory Whetstone who's charged with aggravated assault, serious bodily injury? Is that you?
Yes.
And in that case as well, Mr. Cantrell, have you received all the discovery you think you're entitled to?
Yes, Your Honor.
And state, have you all complied with 3914 in that case as well?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. In both these cases, Mr. Whetstone, I have some papers from your attorney in the district attorney's office which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes.
Did you understand, sir, that when you read and signed these papers in each case, what you're telling me is you understand what you're charged with in each case? You understand what could happen to you if you end up pleading in each case. Is that correct?
Yes.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest these matters if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes.
Did you know you gave up your rights
Yes.
in each case?
Yes.
Anyone force you or make you do that in either case?
No.
All right. Then in cause number 2022 CR 1812, where you're charged with assault, injury to a disabled person, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Did anyone force you to plead guilty?
Judge,
No.
he entered a plea of no contest yesterday.
Okay. Do you understand a no contest plea means that you do not want to contest any of the evidence the state's about to introduce against you? That you're not contesting all the evidence that they introduce against you, I'll assume is true. If it's sufficient to find you guilty, I'll find you guilty anyway. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes.
All right, then I'm going to find this plea is voluntarily made. State, you may proceed.
Judge, we offer State's Exhibit 1 and its attachments, and that included a few documents that were too large to be attached in Adobe. If the court does not have those, I can forward those. I believe they were forwarded to Judge Boyd.
And Judge, I believe that was his sentencing packet. Since he was a habitual, the state reduced it to a repeater. And we agree with those attachments.
All right, based on the plea and based on the evidence presented against you in 2022 CR 1812, I'm going to find that you are guilty of the offense. And in cause number 2021 CR 10251, you're charged with aggravated assault, serious bodily injury. How do you plead?
Guilty.
Did anyone force you to plead guilty?
No.
All right, I'm going to find this plea is voluntarily made. State, you may proceed in that case as well.
State offer states Exhibit 1, its attachments, which includes the items that were emailed separately.
No objections.
Okay. They're admitted into evidence based on a plea, based on the evidence presented. I will find you guilty of that case as well. Hold on. What count? What habitual count are you, or what Peter count are you going on?
Judge, I'm actually filling in. This was Michael's plea, but Anthony, do you know which one y'all agreed to? Not a
Judge, the state submitted, I think he had 4 prior felony convictions, one of which was a state jail felony. And we will agree that he had been to prison on all 4 of those accounts. So
Well, that's not the point. They still have to present evidence on whatever count they're going on.
Okay.
They have to drop, assuming they're dropping one and going on the other, what was the count they're
Okay.
going on? So I can see if the evidence is sufficient.
Judge, if you don't mind, just give me 1 second.
Sure. And you said they haven't been attached?
They were emailed separately, and I can forward those to your email address. They were sent to Judge.
I have some priors here, right here.
Okay.
Here's, let me see if this one fits. Now, this is Bowie County.
Judge, he had a burglary of a building enhanced out of Travis County. The date of the judgment on that was 2/20/2015.
See, the ones, then the habitual is an aggravated robbery, an assault, breathing.
Judge, I can pull the judgment and we can stipulate to that. If you could just give me a second.
Okay. Those are the 2 that are alleged. Here's the aggravated robbery. Hold on.
Judge, there's also an assault by strangulation, family violence.
August 2nd, 2012.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's one of the things that are alleged. That's what I'm saying. I'm looking for them. Okay, I got it. It's attached here. All right. I'm gonna find the evidence sufficient to find that you're guilty and the evidence sufficient to find that you were previously convicted of the assault, breathing on August 2nd, 2012 and D1 DC 12-200201 in Travis County. All right. I'm about to, are we going to proceed with sentencing, Mr. Cantrell?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm about to sentence you, sir, before I do so. Is there anything you'd like to say before I do so? Mr. Whetstone?
Sir,
Is there anything you'd like to say before I sentence you?
it said a conviction of August the 2nd, 2012.
Yes, sir. There is a conviction here in Travis County, Texas.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's correct. It's correct.
All right. Before I sentence you, is there anything you'd like to say?
Alcohol has made a mockery of my life.
Anything further, Mr. Cantrell?
No, Your Honor. We'd ask that you follow the plea bargain.
All right. And in both cases, sir, I'm going to give you 15 years TDC, affirmative finding, and family violence. Give you credit for all time served. Run them together. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. Good luck, Mr. Whetstone.
All right.
Judge Angelini, may I visit with you? This is Jim Tochi.
Yes, sir. What's up?
I
Good morning.
don't know if you and perhaps the handling prosecutor could meet me in a breakout room. I'd like to have discussions, not with the whole panel, if that's possible.
I guess, what case?
It is Andre Watson,
Okay, hold on, too. Get it.
and I've been conferring with Marcus.
Andrea Watson?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
My
That's fine with
understanding.
me. Ask Norman to do it. I don't know how to do any of this stuff.
Okay, I will.
Judge,
Yes, ma'am.
you need to go to a breakout room with Judge and who else?
Marcus,
Marcus is not here.
Oh. Whoever's substituting for Marcus.
Let me see if Ryan's in a breakout
Any
room.
CTD prosecutor will do, if one can oblige me.
Okay, let me see if Brittany.
So yes. Is Miss Watson here, by the way?
He is in your jury room in handcuffs, as I've been led to believe.
Okay.
I'm gonna put y'all in 3.
So I guess. This is John Young. I came in late. I'd like to talk to a prosecutor on Mr. Alvarado.
Just a second, John. Thank you.
Michelle, I sent you chat.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Mr. Kimbrough, go to breakout room number 4.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, Pat, I got your message. I'll look at it.
I can go to a breakout room also if y'all have,
I'm gonna put everyone in a breakout room.
thank you.
Cornelius, go to breakout room number 5. Eddie, go to breakout
thank
room
you.
number 6.
Thank you.
Johnny, go to breakout room number 7.
Thank you.
John, go to breakout room number 8.
It's John Young.
Hold on. Well, let me look for you real quick. Where is he at? Oh, he's already. Megan. Where's Megan?
I'm here.
Okay, Megan, go to 8.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Pat, go to 9. Roland, go to 10. Is Roland on here? Roland's not here. Oh, no, it's not. Let's go to 10. Mr. Rodriguez, go to 10.
Thank you.
Tony, go to 11. And Will. Will, are you here? John Young, go to 12. Oh. And Joanne Eagle, go to 13.
All right, will do.
Do I mute it?
You need to mute yourself, ma'am.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you. David Woodard, go to 14.
Norma, I just need a trial setting. That's the only reason I was recalled from yesterday.
Okay, so don't go there. Just wait on here.
Okay, I'll stay put.
Okay. And when the judge gets back, just go ahead and put the little emoji hand up, or you can just talk to the judge when he gets out. Okay, David Woodard, go ahead and show your video.
David. Good morning, David.
Morning, Judge. How you doing?
I'm old. Very old.
Judge, I was recalled from yesterday on Ruben Garcia because we needed a trial setting, but the court reporter was out, so they wanted me to come back this morning.
Ruben Garcia?
That's correct.
And he's got like 3 cases?
That's correct.
Okay. I need a discovery acknowledgement done on all 3 cases. Then we'll give you you got 4 cases, right?
It's 3 or 4.
It's 4. Well, at least I got 4. I don't know. Get in with the prosecutors and get a discovery acknowledgement done, or tell me if you haven't gotten discovery and why, and we'll work on it.
I know, Judge, the prosecutor I've been dealing with is Marcus, and I guess according to Norma, he's out.
Right, he's out. See if you can get one of the other prosecutors to help you. He's got a drug case, aggravated assault, possession of a short barrel firearm, and possession of felon possession.
That sounds about right.
Okay. Get together with one of the prosecutors, give me a discovery acknowledgement, and then we'll give you a trial date. Okay. Norma, would you give David to one of the prosecutors? It's not family violence, it's the other, right? David?
It should be CTD. It's a criminal trial cases.
David, I'll put you in breakout room 3.
Okay, thanks, Norma.
You're welcome.
And when you get it done, David, just let me know.
Okay, we'll do.
Hey, Will, what's up?
Morning, Judge. I just need to confer, if I might, family violence on
Okay.
Richard.
Michelle's here today. I think Michael's out campaigning or something.
Well, I'll put you in breakout room. I'll move you down to 14.
Thank you, Norma.
Roland Dwellis, are you here?
Good morning,
Hey,
Judge.
Will.
I'm
Morning.
present here with Ms. Rosano. I just texted Norma and Ms. Sparks that Ms. Rosano and I will be doing a plea to the court today if possible.
It's possible. Just get together with the prosecutor, get all the paperwork done. So they
Yes,
can
sir.
get it to me and we'll glad to do
All righty, then I'll just wait for that. I already sent both of them my client's email.
it. Okay,
Thank you, Judge.
sure.
Judge Angelini, if I may approach at your convenience, it's Eduardo Jimenez.
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
Yes, I believe I have Roy Ferguson on the docket. The last
Okay.
time I spoke to Judge Boyd, she cut him off in terms of plea bargains, no more plea bargains, and he's got to go, we're going to trial on this case. The outstanding issue was, and the reason why she reset it was that my guy lives in Houston and has not been able to come down to see the evidence, in my office. And she said, well, you better get it done in a month. She gave us a month. He has not been to my office, and it's not my fault. I've invited him whenever at his leisure to come down to my office, and he has not. That's Mr. Ferguson, sir, Roy Ferguson.
Okay, so have you gotten all the discovery?
Yes, sir. I have all the discovery, but Mr. Ferguson hasn't seen it. And
Well, he didn't have to see it if you don't want to.
well, that's what I'm saying. I just that's what this month was for, to have him come down and see it, and he has not.
Okay.
It's not that I didn't want to come down there. I just haven't had. I got a car, and I caught two little youngsters trying to steal my what do you call it, catalytic converter off of it, and they cut half my pipe off. I can't drive it to San Antonio super loud like that. So that, and me and my girlfriend got into it, and I'm staying with some friends right now. Just it's been that, and I know been going to the doctor. They put me in the hospital for about a week to
Well,
adequate.
you're set for trial, Mr. President. So
Okay.
you're gonna go to trial.
Yes,
If
sir.
you want to make an
Well, I'm
effort
not
against-
guilty, so I'm pleading not guilty anyway. So
Understand. That's the whole point of the trial. You
Yes,
plead
sir.
not guilty, and they give you a trial, and they try to prove it, and maybe they can, maybe they can't. If you want to go to Mr. Jimenez's office and see and discuss with him the evidence, you're welcome to do it. If you don't want to, you're also welcome not to. Okay?
Yes,
You're
sir.
going to get a trial either way, whether you ever looked at the evidence or you haven't.
That's fine. Yes, sir.
Either way, you're going to trial. Okay?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Mr. Jimenez, I need a discovery acknowledgement done,
Yes, Your Honor.
and then Norma will give you a setting. Okay?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you, Your
Talk
Honor.
to one of the prosecutors, Mr. Jimenez, and get one.
Okay.
Mr.
am I-
Jimenez, I'll put you in a breakout room so you can talk to the prosecutors about the discovery.
Okay, thank you.
Put you in breakout room number 15.
Okay.
Judge Angelini, I have signed and submitted the requested paperwork and will now be excusing myself. That'd be okay.
Yes, sir. That's fine. Do you know anything about this, our business, the La Cantera? Or do we have one?
You know, I haven't called them since, and I know that there was a limited number of.
Yeah, I remember you telling me that.
Well,
let me know what the plans are, if any.
Yeah.
No big deal.
I will.
All right.
Judge. Have a good.
Anyway, have a good
Yes,
day.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Ms. Ferguson.
Yes, sir.
May you put me in a breakout room with Ms. Rosanna?
Yes.
Thank you.
I'm going to send you to breakout room 9.
Thank you.
Hello.
Norma?
Yes, sir.
Hey, it's Pat. I'm going to answer a 10:30 docket in another court. Ms. Hayden is going to prepare the discovery paperwork, and I'll be bugging back into your meeting in a few minutes.
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Oh, thanks for the thumbs up, Judge. I didn't even see you on the screen.
Oh my gosh.
Norma, this is Bud Rittenhour. I just arrived on Raymond Garcia.
Yes, sir.
Could I talk to a prosecutor?
Yes, sir. I will put you in, let's see, breakout room 16.
Thank you.
Norma, this is Eduardo Jimenez, if you have a moment.
Yes, sir.
Well, I've been waiting this whole time in the breakout room and nobody's come, and I have 2 other courts I have to be in. I'm more than happy to sign a discovery.
Can you just be patient? Just give me a little bit of time. There's other prosecutors that are ahead of you. Give us just a little bit of time. Just give us, please be patient.
Well, I have to be in 2 other courts and time is running out. So, yeah, what did you say about the number of prosecutors? I'm sorry, I didn't hear.
There's only 3 prosecutors right now. So if you can just give them just
Okay,
a little
I'll go
bit.
back into the breakout room. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Norma or Judge, this is Eddie Bravanek. I'm here on Marco Contreras. I spoke with Ryan Groomer, and I know that Judge Boyd would want me to speak with Mr. Contreras if possible. Ryan didn't see him on there. Can you give me some guidance?
Mr. Contreras is not
What's
here.
his name? What's his name, Mr. Bromley?
Marco Contreras, Your Honor. He's
Is he in jail or is he on bond?
Yes, he's in jail, Your Honor.
Okay, then Norma can help with that.
Let me find out where he's at. Give me 1 second.
Thanks, Norma.
Eddie, they're getting your client right now.
Thank you.
Hello? I'm just making sure I'm hello.
Ma'am, you need to be patient. Just put
Okay,
yourself
okay,
on
I'm so
mute.
sorry.
Wait. Thank you. John, Paul Smith is here. Hey, Bobby.
Mr. Smith, what are we doing? Good morning.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here on Mr. Hamilton. I need to speak with the DA. I haven't even gotten an offer on him yet.
Okay, is it family violence or criminal trial?
I want to say it's criminal trial. Let me make sure. Ag assault, deadly weapon, but I'm not sure who the alleged victim is. Let's see. It looks like someone else. It's not, it doesn't look like
A family.
family
Okay, well,
violence.
Norma will put you in a breakout room with one of the prosecutors here in a few minutes.
Okay, very well. Thank you.
Sure.
Okay, Paul, I moved you to a breakout room. Judge, I think Brian Kimbrough is ready to go. I think. April Zuniga.
Brian?
Hi, Judge. Yeah, I conferred with Joe Ray Garcia and need a date for a contested hearing. It's an MTR. He's got a new number one. It's unindicted and it's a different court.
I didn't hear the last thing you said.
She's got a number one, but it's unindicted and it's in a separate, it's assigned to a different court. So we would need a date for a contested hearing on the MTR in this court.
All right. Norma, I guess we'll give that to you. What was the name of that person?
April Zuniga. She's on somewhere.
Yeah. Norma, you'll give him the date?
Yes, I can do April 11th.
That's fine. That'll work. 9 o'clock, right?
Are you going to have a lot of witnesses?
Me?
Yes.
No.
We'll still do it in the afternoon. We'll do it at 2 p.m.
Okay, sounds good. So we're excused?
Yes, sir.
Both of us? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Mr. Smith, are you back from the breakout room?
I am. I was wondering if I could get with Mr. Hamilton.
Yes, sir. I will put you in the breakout room with him.
Thank you.
Go to breakout room number 6.
Let's see where we, oops, I think I messed it up here.
Norma, this is Eddie Bravanek. I'm just checking in on a Contreras, seeing if he has shown up yet.
Yes, they said they logged him in. He's in the waiting area, but I don't see him here.
Well, this is in the category of take care of the things that are most unpleasant first, and that's what I'm trying to deal with is first. So anything you can do to speed it away so I can move on to the pleasant part of my day, I would appreciate.
Yes. Let me call the jail again because they said he's on here, but I don't. Let me call him again. Hold on for just a second.
Thank you.
Norma, this is Megan. Can I get in line to talk to Brittany Sparks again?
Yes, ma'am. Give me 1 second. Megan, she's in a breakout room right now. As soon as she's done, I will let her, I'll move her in a breakout room with you.
Okay, great. Thank you. I'll wait for her.
Excuse me, Miss Norma.
Megan Enriquez, are you there?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Okay, what do you have today?
I'm here on Everett Gonzalez. I've conferred with the prosecutor, Brittany Sparks, and then I've talked to she made an offer. I talked to my client. I'm waiting to talk to Brittany Sparks again to work on terms.
Okay, good.
Thank you, Judge.
Let me know if you got anything worked out.
I think we will.
Eddie, he's here. Give me 1 second. Let me move him real quick.
Thank you.
Eddie, go to 2. I'm going to move you to 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Ferguson wanted to speak to you.
Yes, sir. May you excuse me just for a second to go to the bathroom?
Yes, sir.
I'll be right back, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Norma, and Your Honor, this is Eddie Bravanek. I spoke with Marco Contreras. As he has said before, he's not interested in the plea offer that the state was offering. He continues in that position. How would you like to handle this morning? Should I?
Only thing I need from you, Eddie, please, is a discovery acknowledgement from the prosecutor and you. If you haven't gotten all your discovery, let me know. We'll try to get it to you. If we have, then just sign a discovery acknowledgement. We'll set it for trial.
Judge, it sounds good. Unfortunately, Marcus, who's the prosecutor on the case, is at a funeral this morning. So I don't think there's any way I can get that over to the court this morning. And I know you want it done. And I truly,
we could set it for tomorrow, I guess. Just come back. You come back tomorrow and talk to Marcus. Get it done.
okay. Judge, that sounds good. And I appreciate it.
Okay.
Thank
Take
you,
care.
sir.
Eddie.
You too.
Be careful.
Yes, sir.
Eduardo, you ready from the breakout room? You're on mute, Eduardo.
Yes, Norma, I have signed the discovery acknowledgement.
Ozzy, can I call you back? I'm in court. Can I
I'm
call you
sorry,
back? I'm in
Norma.
court right.
Are you talking to me, Norma?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, I just heard some talking in the background. I wasn't sure. Yes, I signed the discovery acknowledgement, and the only issue is I know we're moving this case along as Judge Boyd requested to trial, and as my client has requested to moving it on to trial, but there's a pending psych eval. And I know those are backed up. My client isn't even in he's not even in jail. He's not even in San Antonio. He's in Houston. So I can anticipate that taking a while. So I don't know what we want to do in terms of a reset.
Give me one second.
Or can you confirm that on your end that he is indeed awaiting a psych eval? That's what my understanding is at this time.
Yes. Give me 1 second.
Okay. Okay.
And Judge Angelini, I did confirm with Mag, he is waiting a psych eval, and they are behind. They said to maybe give him about another 30-day reset.
Yeah, give him a month, maybe two, and hopefully it'll be done by then.
Yes, yes, sir. So we can, I can bring him back. April 26th.
Sure, April 26th is fine. Thank you. Put that in the calendar, and may I be excused? May my client and I be excused?
Yes, sir. Both of y'all are excused.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, may I approach for a reset, please?
1 second, Mr. Cisneros. Mr. Brooks?
Yes, ma'am.
What's the plan, Stan?
I just need to get, we're continuing our request for a trial judge, so we just need to get a date.
Okay, do you have your discovery done?
Yes, Judge, I think we did it probably 5 or 6 settings ago.
Okay, great. Then we'll just give it normal, give you a date, please.
Thank you, Judge.
And then once you talk to her, you and your client.
We'll come back on, we're going to give you a reset for April 4th.
April 4th, noted.
Mr. Cisneros, what do you have?
Judge, I also would like to keep my case on the trial docket, and I'd like to trial date, please.
Okay, have you gotten your discovery?
We have, Your Honor.
Have you had a discovery acknowledgement?
I don't believe I've filed one, but I
Okay,
think,
well,
my knowledge, I think,
talk to the prosecutor and they'll get you one so you can sign. And after you sign it, you're free to go talk to Norma and she'll give you a date.
okay, thank you. So I need to go in the breakout room with the prosecutor. If you can put me there, please. Oh, here we go. I got it. There we go.
Norma, would it be possible to speak with the prosecutor on Mr. Hamilton's case?
Yes, sir. Give me 1 second.
Sure. Thank you.
Norma, this is Bud Rittenhour on Raymond Garcia.
Yes, sir.
We need to move on down, get another trial setting. I guess I need to do a discovery acknowledgement.
Has one been filed?
I don't have a copy if it did. Last time we were here was, I think, December.
Okay. Michelle Hayden's in the breakout room right now. If you can just wait here in the main room, when she's done, we'll put you in the breakout room with her.
All right, thank you.
Anybody else back from the breakout room?
Norma, this is Megan. I'm back and we do have an agreement for probation with Brittany. So I'll need the court paperwork when you have a chance.
Yes, ma'am.
On Everett Gonzalez.
Okay.
Norma, I'm back from breakout room number 3, but nobody ever came. I've been there since about 9:40. I just need a discovery acknowledgement. I don't know if one has already been done or not on Ruben Garcia.
Yeah, let me ask the clerk.
Judge, may I approach this Paul Smith?
You wanted to speak to me, Mr. Smith?
Sorry,
Okay.
Judge, I was on mute. I was having trouble with my Zoom. Ryan has made an offer on my case. I have the discovery for the ag assault, but there's John's case, which are, I guess, third degree and state jail felonies. I'm asking for a 30-day reset so that we can have the opportunity to let the DA talk to the victim to see if we can resolve this matter short of trial.
No, I'm not giving you 30 days, but I'll give you a week.
Okay, week's good for me.
Talk to Norma. She'll give you a week.
Okay, thank you.
Paul, you guys can come back on the 10th.
That should be good. I'm supposed to start a trial, but not in Gillespie County and perhaps Comel, but that's fine. We'll figure it out.
Okay.
Do you, would you want me to go back and tell Mr. Hamilton what's going on, or just excuse him from?
Let me see if I can bring him out of the breakout room.
I talked to him earlier about, possibility of reset and give the DA a chance to talk with the participants.
He looked like he left.
Okay. Well, if you can send me a reset, I guess we'll just.
Okay.
Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Y'all be safe. Bye-bye.
Hey, Norma, I'm back on the breakout room on Gaskin. We have an agreement. I just need the paperwork.
Can you send it to me by chat?
Yeah, thank you.
Norma?
Who's calling me?
Cornelius.
Yes, sir.
All right. On Willis, I conferred. And what I need to do is I have to obtain his out of county jail time. We have a deal, but I need to know how much I need to verify his out of county jail time. Is there any way we can just recall it on maybe Thursday?
Why do you need his out of county jail time?
Because the state is willing to give me a JSAT, but they want verification of how much time that he spent out of county. My estimation, Judge, is that he was probably close to 5 months before he was transferred.
Yeah, but see, I can't, if he's been doing time someplace else, I can't give him credit for it anyway.
Yeah, but the warrant, he had a warrant. Or he was being held on our warrant, the MTR warrant.
Okay, well, somebody ought to know it here.
Yeah, so what I'm trying to do is that the state says that my client says he was in jail. Then they transferred him here. He was transferred from Tarrant County to Bexar County on our warrant.
Okay.
I just need to know how.
Wasn't the clerks here now?
Well, no, they said they can only pull up Bexar County time. the 12 days. He got here 12 days ago from Tarrant County, but he was up in Tarrant County for about 5 months in jail
Okay.
on our warrant.
We set it for tomorrow. You can
Yeah.
find out by then.
Okay, I'll see what I can find out by tomorrow, Judge. All right, thank you, Judge.
Okay.
I don't think they brought him over anyway, because they don't see him anywhere. So tomorrow, that'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, Judge, may I approach?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sean, I just want to let you know that we have filled out all the paperwork for Vanessa Rosano, and we're ready whenever the court is.
But yeah, I just don't have it. I need to get, someone needs to, clerks or somebody needs to send it to me or physically send it to me or give it to me.
Yes, Judge.
I'll let you know when I have it. Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, Norma. This is Alfonso.
Hi, Alfonso.
Can I speak to Ryan Groomer on this case, please?
Yes, sir. I will put you in breakout room 2.
Thank you.
I'll meet him there. Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
morning, Judge. Sorry, my internet keeps kicking me off this morning. I've conferred with my client, I've conferred with the state, and I believe we are going to need a trial setting on my client, Clinique Boyd.
Okay, not a problem at all. I need a discovery acknowledgement that you've gotten everything that you think you're entitled to. And after you sign it, if we talk to Norma, she'll give you a date.
Yes, Your Honor. I'll wait for Ryan to come back in. We'll get that done.
Okay.
Mr. Lopez, do you need a breakout room?
Yes, please.
Okay. What's your client's name?
McBee, Eugene McBee.
Okay, I'm moving you to 6.
Thank you.
And Mr. Sandoval, I moved you to 4.
Okay, thank you. I had gone over, but no one was there. Is Mr. Sparks in the courtroom?
I'm not sure.
He's not in the courtroom.
Okay, because I went over to 4, but I wasn't sure what the purpose was.
Did you already confer with the state?
Yes, this is a sentencing with on Mr. Sparks. Mr. Dotsey has been resolved. It was taken into consideration on the plea we did this morning in County Court 4. Oh, and good morning, by the way. How are you?
Good morning. Okay, I guess we'll wait for your client then.
Okay, and I'm sorry, we had a water heater issue, so we have no power in the house. That's why it's kind of dark, so I apologize.
Ooh, you okay, Frank?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor. I may have to go over to Lifetime later on, but which, as you know, is always a challenge for me. Walking up those stairs. As an aside, Your Honor, I saw you looking at your phone earlier. Mine suddenly died last week, and I thought for sure I had everything backed up.
Uh-oh.
Alas, ... and I'll leave it at that.
Uh-oh.
But the grass outside is getting a nice watering with hot water from an old water heater right now.
Do they have the restitution amount on your sentencing on Mr. Sparks? You know, Frank?
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. No, I do not. I know there the complainant may not have provided any as detailed in the report. There was
We'll find out.
Thank you, Judge.
Norma, can you put me in with a family violence prosecutor, please?
Yes, sir. Brenna's going to move you to a breakout room.
Norma, and I have an update on Marcus Marin.
Go ahead, Alfonso.
Yes, Norma. So I've just been, I guess, reappointed to all of his cases. Ricardo Briones was on 3 of them.
Yes.
I confer with Ryan. I need to get the discovery on Ricardo's cases, so I need a 30-day reset, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let me. Give you April 7th.
Okay,
You want to speak with your client?
I spoke with them already.
Oh, you did, okay.
Norma, this is David Woodard. I've signed the discovery agreement on Ruben Garcia.
Okay, give me just 1 second.
Sure. Sorry, Norma.
No, no problem. April 7th. All right, Mr. Alfonso,
Yes, ma'am.
can he be excused, Judge Angelini?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. Thanks, Norma.
You're
Take
welcome.
care.
And I'll be with you in just a second, David. Give me 1 second. Mr. Marin, your case has been reset for April 7th.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, David. Okay, David, you said you signed the discovery acknowledgement?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do you need a trial date?
Yes, ma'am. That's correct.
We can do, I can set you for April 5th.
That's fine.
So you speak with your client?
Yeah, if I could, since he's on.
Okay. Let me, Mr. Garcia, 16G. I'm going to move you to breakout room 2. Mr. Garcia, can you go to breakout room 2, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Norma, there was 2 Mr. Garcias.
Ruben Garcia. Which one is Ruben Garcia?
Norma, when I get a chance, can I update you on McBee?
Yes, go ahead.
Confer with the ADA. We just got hired last week on the MTR, and I need to do my due diligence on the new number ones and relay the offer. Can I get at least a couple of weeks?
Did you talk to the state already?
Yes, I did.
Is Ms. McBee on?
Mr. McBee, yes, I see him. He has a black background. He has a bald head. He's waving.
Give me 1 second. Let me check the calendar. Come back on March 31st.
Okay, that works. Thank you, Norma. Are we okay to sign off, Norma?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
It's okay for me to sign off?
Yes, Mr. Rigby.
All right.
Norma, this is Bud Rittenhour. I just did a acknowledgement, discovery acknowledgement.
Okay.
And I think we agreed to trial date of April the 5th.
April 5th. Okay. Did you want to speak with your client?
If I may be excused from there.
Yeah, he just needs to come back to the main room so I can let him go.
All right.
Because I need to call the jail. I'll send you to breakout room 3.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Norma, am I still supposed to be in the breakout room? I haven't seen anybody yet. Michelle, I saw her earlier though.
Give me 1 second.
Thank you.
But give me 1 second, but I'm trying to find where you're at.
Not a problem. You're busy.
Okay, go ahead. Mr. Garcia, go to breakout room 3.
Hi, Norma. This is Megan. I'm still waiting on the court paperwork on Everett Gonzalez.
Okay.
Thank you. It's probation.
Let me check where it's at.
Did you send it to info@John Coons Law? Remember ours?
Hold on. Let me check.
Norma, John Young back from breakout room.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I've conferred with Alicia and I've conferred with my client. My client wishes to not take the offer that's been made and wishes to go to trial.
And it's Robert Alvarado?
Correct.
Okay.
And I have the same announcement on Julius Clayton whenever you have time.
Okay. And y'all did the discovery acknowledgement already? John?
I think I've seen one in the file. Historically, there is some jail phone calls that the state has said they've tried to download. I don't know whether I've gotten those yet or not.
Okay, give me 1 second.
John, a copy was supposed to be made for you and left at the 5th floor window. That's when I was out. I can double check and see if it's there, and if not, we can get you another copy.
You're in charge.
Who would take it?
Raymond,
John.
Robert Alvarado. Were you able to hear me, Your Honor?
Yes, I heard you. I said, who would take it other than you? Michelle is checking to see if it's still there. If not, she'll give you another copy of it. My point is, who would take it besides you?
Well, I'm ready, Your Honor, and I'll pick that up as soon as it's available.
Okay. I need to see.
My client has 725 days in jail right now.
So go ahead and come back for trial on April 5th.
Excuse me, can you hear me?
Yes.
This is Deputy Lopez. Are you all done with Raymond Garcia?
Yes.
All right then, and I'm assuming that we're done with Mr. Alvarado also.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. And Ms. Hayden, I'll look forward to your call.
Norma, were you able to track that paperwork?
Megan, give me 1 second.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, Nathaniel, I'm sorry, go right ahead.
Okay, no problem. On Julius Clayton,
Yes, sir.
we would just request to push this for trial.
Okay, and you did the discovery acknowledgement already as well?
I believe so. I didn't do it today, but I think we've done it on a previous setting. Joe Ray, do you see the file?
Just make sure you did.
Okay.
And she'll give you a trial date, but make sure, check with the clerks or somebody.
Okay. Yes, Judge.
Give me one.
Norma, it's Johnny.
Yes, sir.
I just signed a discovery acknowledgement. And I spoke to Michelle about a trial date of May the 24th. Please.
May the 24th.
Yes.
I can do, I think that's too far out. I can do April 26th.
April the 26th. Okay, can you send Michelle a note on that, please?
I sure will.
Thank you. May we be excused?
Did y'all file the discovery notice or acknowledgement already?
Yes, I just sent it.
Okay.
So we can leave?
Your client is here, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, Blake, you can sign out, son.
Okay, thank you.
And Norma, this is Adam LaHood for Clinique Boyd. We signed the discovery acknowledgement. We need a trial setting date.
Who has got Vanessa Rosano?
That's me, Judge.
Okay, I do not have the discovery acknowledgement.
That was sent to your email, Judge.
Yeah, I haven't not gotten it. You said the right email, JMK Angelini?
At iCloud.com. Yes, Judge. That was
Yeah,
sent.
I haven't gotten it yet.
I would have to check with Ms. Sparks. She's the one that created the document,
Okay,
Judge.
check with her. I've got the rest of it.
We'll do April 5th.
Norma, is that for my client, Ms. Boyd?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think she's still in the breakout room. I don't know if there's a way to get her back here and I can let her know.
Let me. She's out. Yeah, give me 1 second.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, she's coming out. She's here.
All right. Clinique, we're set for April 5th for trial, okay? We'll be in touch. I'll be talking to you and we'll meet and go over everything, all right?
Like, is this trial or like the others 4 times you're going to trial? Is this real trial?
The trial setting, like I said, I mean, that's all we can do, but we are set for trial that day. Whether we get picked to go, that's up to the court, but we'll be talking, okay?
Okay, and I need you to be a beast. I need you to be a man eater. I need you to eat them alive because you're fighting for my life. You want me to die, Mr. LaHood? Okay, look at me. I'm too pretty to go back to prison. Do you want me to go back to prison?
Yeah.
It's all on your shoulders, Mr. LaHood.
Yeah. I mean, we'll be talking, okay?
Yeah, bye, Mr. LaHood.
All right, take care.
He's like, this tick is a clusterfuck.
All right.
Morning, Judge. Judge, I think we just sent a reminder on that Rosano one. We tried to make sure the email's correct, but I think, see if, I don't know if it came to the top of your email box.
Nope, I don't have it yet.
Still nothing? Okay.
Okay, Norma, I've signed a discovery acknowledgement for Julius Clayton.
Okay, Nathaniel. Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Okay, Nathaniel, I'm sorry. You just need a trial date, correct?
Correct.
Yeah. We can come back on. I can do April 12th.
Okay. Do you have actually another one? I have to be in Comal County on April 12th.
Okay.
Well, I guess we could do the plea without the discovery acknowledgement. Y'all said it's been done, but I have never received it. Just put it on the record if you got it.
We can do the 19th.
Okay, the 19th works.
Mr. Wells?
Did you
Can
call
Mr.
me?
Can Mr. Clayton be excused?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Ryan or Vanessa?
We're
Rosano?
ready, Judge.
Who's got that? Mr. Wells? I've never received the discovery acknowledgement, but we can put it on the record. She's got it, signed it.
Yes, Judge.
Okay, this is 2021 CR 1907, State of Texas versus Vanessa Rosano. Are you Vanessa Rosano?
Yes, sir.
Where are you, ma'am? There you are. Okay. Are you the same Miss Rosano who's charged with the offense of theft? Is that you, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First of all, Mr. Alvarez, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under our discovery rules?
I have, Your Honor.
And have you signed the discovery acknowledgement?
I have, Judge.
Okay. State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
I believe we have, Your Honor. This is Joey Garcia for the state.
Well, you either have or you haven't. So,
Yes.
okay. Ms. Rosano, I have some papers here from the district attorney's office and your attorney, which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, ma'am, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you plead? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest or fight this case if you wish. Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
You know you gave up that right.
Yes.
Did anyone force you or make you give up that right?
No, sir.
All right, how do you plead to this offense?
Guilty?
Did anyone force you to plead guilty?
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna find the plea is voluntarily made. State, you may proceed.
State offers State Exhibit 1 in its attachments.
Any objections?
No objections, Your Honor, for purposes of the plea.
They're admitted into evidence. Based on the plea, based on the evidence presented, I'm gonna find the evidence sufficient to find that you are guilty. But I'll make no finding of guilt since you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we gonna proceed with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
State? Is that okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. I'm gonna give her 2 years deferred adjudication. There's no fine, but she's to pay court costs. Restitution of $547.55 to the Port of San Antonio. 120 hours community service, no contact with the Port of San Antonio. CATS 1 and 2 courses. And I want a TAP evaluation done to see if you need any kind of drug or alcohol. That's it. You need to stay on, ma'am, talk to the probation department about what your obligations are. Ms. Reyes there will talk to you, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Good luck to you.
May I be excused?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Ms. Rosano, if you can please go back to breakout room 1,
Okay, how do I do that?
where it says breakout rooms on the bottom.
Breakout, I don't have any breakout room in the bottom.
Okay, I'll send you to breakout room 3, okay?
Thank you. Join.
Mr. Langwest, did you need to be put in a breakout room with the prosecutor? You're on mute.
I was waiting to ask you for that.
Okay, I'll put you in a breakout room, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. Sandoval, were you able to get a hold of your client?
Hello, Miss Norma. And I apologize for the delay in the text to you. I know I have not at either number I have or any response to text. As you may recall, he was ill last week. So I don't know if there's been a recurrence of something happening. And he doesn't have access to his phone. It's, you know, it's concerning because it's a favorable PSI and stuff. And I hate that he's being, it may be viewed at differently now because of his non-appearance this morning.
Well, does Judge Boyd, does she declare a bond forfeiture or what she do though?
I'm sorry, Judge.
Does Judge Boyd declare a bond forfeiture since that showed up for the sentencing?
Yes, sir.
I would. Okay, I'm declaring a bond forfeiture.
No, and I understand that completely, Your Honor. I just do not understand Mr. Sparks right now, and I'll do my darndest to try to figure out what's going on.
Okay,
with him.
Not your problem. I mean, not your fault. So it is your problem, not your fault.
And Judge, just Tony Adonis, I'd like to approach, please.
Yes, sir. What's up?
Judge, I have a Henry Luna that was supposed to be in court in person today on an MTR. He's having trouble getting there in person, but we've worked out a deal.
It's a bond forfeiture. He needs to be here.
Okay, what I was hoping is if we could plead him this afternoon. We've got an agreement. It's
right now it's a bond forfeiture. He's not here. So.
No, I understand. I'm just wondering if we could do it by Zoom, if I can get him on Zoom.
No.
I'm sorry? No?
No.
Okay. Just wanted to ask. Thank you, Judge.
And Ms. Norman, I'm sorry, Tony.
No, go ahead.
Oh, Ms. Norman, may I approach?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Norman, would it be possible to go into a breakout room with Assistant District Attorney, Ms. Michelle Hayden?
Yes, sir. Michelle, can you move him?
Sure.
Thank you, Judge. Thank you, Ms. Norma.
And Noah, if there's anybody from CTD that can confer on a bond, a motion to set a bond, that'd be great.
You know, they're changing all this bond stuff starting September 1st, by the way.
Are they?
Yep. Look at the statute. It's going to be a big mess. You have to have a hearing. You have to have all this background stuff. So the court just can't do it anymore. You have to have a hearing.
Even on deferreds?
Yeah, on anything. If you set a bond, even when they're arrested, yeah, it's gonna be a big mess. Completely. Legislature's passed a bill. Those are the facts. There has to be a background check of everybody before you can set bonds. And then you have to have findings of fact and all kinds of crap.
Well, that's definitely someone who's never practiced criminal law.
Yeah, well, it's not going to be, hey, judge, this guy just got arrested and he's a great guy, all that stuff. You're going to have a hearing and background check and everything. It's going to be a complete total mess.
Lovely.
Mm-hmm. Just a lot more work for prosecutors, defense attorneys, and judges. Well, everybody. What's bad for us, we have to have 8 hours of CLA on it only.
Is that right?
Yeah, before September.
That's crazy.
Oh well. I don't make the laws.
I've got a client that Are you eating in the conference?
Hi, Judge. This is Megan Enriquez. We should have all the paperwork submitted on Everett Gonzalez, and we're ready when the court's ready, when everyone has everything they need.
Okay, I'm waiting on everything from the clerk, so.
Sounds great. Thanks, Judge.
Sure.
Judge Angelini, can you meet me in breakout room 13, please?
You want me to go to breakout room?
Yes, sir. She said you.
Okay.
Brenda, I'll be right back.
Okay. Norma, he just left to go there.
I'm at 13. Hold on, let me, and I need to move the prosecutor. Where is Michelle Hayden? Is she in a breakout room?
I'm here, Norma.
Can you go to 13, Michelle?
Sure.
And Norma, I think that we have all the paperwork in on Gaskin, I believe.
I will check on that. Give me 1 second.
Thank you.
Don't cut the line, Neftali.
Here we go. I just was making a very brief announcement. Judge Angelini is not going to let me cut anyways. He's probably going to stick me at the back of the pile. I already know it.
This is the most work you've done in how many years now?
Here we go. Here we go. It starts with one person in the gallery, and then everybody's going to jump on old Def.
You may have to go and rest right after this, right?
Yeah, that's right, Judge. Go on a couple hour.
Take a nap. I'm still waiting on the clerks to give me whatever they give me. Megan or Nep, do y'all know where the paperwork is or how?
All of my paperwork should be in, Judge. I don't know. Lupe or Robert, y'all have it?
No, not yet. I'm checking right now. Hold on. Stand by.
Lupe.
I just approved a plea packet, but it's not been returned back to me yet.
Is that on my client?
Yeah, Lupe, which case that on?
Hold on, okay, hold on. Let me see if I can get it back. Gaskin.
And you said you did not get it back yet, or you did?
I approved it, but I haven't gotten it back yet.
What
Hold
about
on.
on mine, Everett Gonzalez?
Hold on.
Elizabeth, when you signed that plea packet, did it say you're all good, you're all set after you submitted it?
Yeah, hold on. I think we
Yes.
found it. Hold on.
Okay. Sorry, Norma.
Ms. Gaskin, can you go to breakout room number 1, please?
I've got Gaskin. Who's that?
It's not mine, Judge. I'm not sure.
Is that Neff's case?
Neff, are you Gaskin?
Yeah, it is. I see now.
Yes,
Okay. You have your client?
I do. She's right there, Judge. L20.
Can you see her face?
She's got purple hair, Judge.
Oh, yeah, I see her now. Okay. This is 2021 CR 4146, State of Texas versus Elizabeth Gaskin. Are you Elizabeth Gaskin?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay. Are you the same Miss Gaskin who's charged with unauthorized use of a motor vehicle? Is that you?
Yes.
Okay. First of all, Mr. Rodriguez, have you received everything you think you're entitled to under discovery rules?
Yes, sir, I have.
State, have you all complied with 3914 of the Code of Criminal Procedure?
Yes, Judge.
Ms. Gaskin, I have some papers here from your attorney which set out your constitutional rights. Have you read these papers?
Yes, sir, I have.
Have you signed these papers?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand, ma'am, that when you read and signed these papers, you were telling me that you know what you're charged with and you know what can happen to you if you plead? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that you have a right to a trial by jury to contest this matter if you want to. Did you know that?
Yes, sir.
Did you know you gave up that right?
Yes, I do.
Did anyone force you or make you give up your rights?
No, sir.
And how do you plead to this charge, ma'am?
No contest.
You understand no contest plea means that you do not want to contest the state's evidence. State has evidence in the form of statements and reports that they're going to introduce against you. Since you're not contesting them, I'm going to take them as true. If it's sufficient to find you guilty, I'll find you guilty anyway. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure you want to do this?
Yes, sir.
All right. And I'm going to find that her plea is voluntarily made. State, you may proceed.
State offer states Exhibit 1 in all attachments.
No objections, Judge.
They're admitted into evidence. We have, all right, I'm going to find the evidence sufficient to find that you are guilty. Is she applying for anything?
It's a deferred case, Judge.
No, well, it's not noted. All right, I don't mind doing the sentencing, but I'm not going to do it till I know what the restitution is.
I don't believe there is any, Judge. At least that was my understanding. From the
DA's
prosecutor.
office.
Judge, we don't think there is any. We've had contact with the victim.
Well, either there is or isn't. All right, well, I'll reset it.
Judge, I'm sorry, I just got clarification. There is no restitution.
Okay, great. Then I'll give her 2 years deferred adjudication, no fine, she's paid court costs. There's a TAP evaluation done to see if she needs any kind of drug treatment. 120 hours community service, no contact with Sandra Gonzalez, the CATS 1 and 2 course. And that is it. Good luck to you, man.
And Judge, just if we can request that her probation be transferred to Dallas County. She's not from San Antonio, Judge.
Sure.
She's from Dallas.
Not a problem at all.
Just thank you, Judge.
Okay. And Megan, if we can find your favorable, we'll do it right now.
That'd be great.
Ms. Gaskin, if you can go back to room number 1, please.
And Elizabeth, if you need anything,
Okay.
just give me a call, okay? Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Megan, I didn't mean to skip you.
No, I don't blame you. It was not your fault. I think our paperwork's lost. I'm not sure what's happening.
Good to see everybody. Have a good day.
Bye. Bye now.
Megan,
Yes.
I have not received plea paperwork on
Brittany,
Everett Gonzalez, right?
Everett Gonzalez.
Yeah, I have not
It
received.
says it's waiting for Everett's signature. I just sent him a reminder to his email.
Let me go back in and sign it.
Did you see review and sign? I mean, you're all set?
It said it was finished. Let me go back and do it again.
Okay.
When I click on it, it says I already signed it.
Is that on
Megan.
both of them? There was one from Norman Ferguson and then the other one that we went over with from Brittany Sparks. Go back to the
Okay, let me
breakout
double
room real
check.
quick.
Okay.
Brittany, the client says it's not letting that they're on both documents. It's saying he's already signed them. It's not letting him re-sign anything.
It now it says it's at Judge Angelini, so I replaced it for Norma. They should have it.
Okay.
Okay, Megan, we got it.
No.
Awesome.
Hi, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, Mr. Gonzalez, Everett,
Yes, sir.
raise your right hand. You're Everett James Gonzalez.
Yes, sir.
You understand these waivers presented to you by your attorney?
Yes, sir.
You understand by signing them, you're giving up your rights to a jury trial.
Yes, sir.
And everything's true and correct, so help you God.
Help you God.
Everything's true and correct? Thank you. Put
Yes,
your
sir.
hand down.
Help you God.
Michelle, I sent you chat.
All right, I have Everett Gonzalez.
Yes, sir.
You all ready?
Ready, Judge.
All right, this is 2021 CR 0244, State versus Everett Gonzalez. Are you Everett Gonzalez?
Yes, sir.
Say, Mr. Gonzalez, who's charged with, I guess resist. Now he's charged with resisting arrest, right?
That's correct, Judge. Resisting arrest, Class A misdemeanor.
What was he charged with originally?
Retaliation.
Well, how is it a lesser? Was it a lesser?
Brittany, do you want to speak to that?
I mean, let's the indictment.
Judge, it was our intent through negotiations to have him plead to resisting based off of the facts of the case.
I understand, but you still got it's still got to be a lesser included of retaliation. It's not. Is it? We'll see how. Let me see.
Okay, Judge, if you don't think that is sufficient, we can figure it out and work with defense counsel.
Let me look at this again. It's not a lesser included of the charges. It's not a lesser included of the charges. Look at the indictment and look at the charge y'all have. Two separate things.
Okay. Do you want to, at this point, I guess, recall it, Judge or Brittany, so we can try to renegotiate and work something out?
Yeah, or you can amend the indictment to add something and then we reduce it. I don't know. But this, what you've got indicted, does it lead to the lesser included offense that you've got here?
Okay.
Y'all do whatever you want to do or need to do. I'm really fine, but what you have ain't working.
Okay, that's fine. I guess, can we just recall it and then we'll confer off docket?
Okay, not a problem.
Norma, when do you want us to come back on it?
Do you want to come back? When are you free, Megan?
Oh, whenever. We're always here.
Tomorrow, the next day, it should be
Sure.
easy to resolve.
Okay. Do
I
you come
mean,
back tomorrow?
basically all you have to do is amend the indictment, add an offense that you can cut down to a misdemeanor.
Understood, Judge.
Okay.
So is tomorrow okay, Norma?
Yeah, that's fine. I can recall you tomorrow.
Okay, we will be back tomorrow.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Are
Hey,
we excused?
Megan.
Mhm.
Will you go to a breakout room with me real quick?
Oh, yeah, sure. Can I be excused? Can the client be excused, Judge? And then I'm going to go talk to Brittany. And Brittany, I'm an 8.
You speak to me?
I was
Megan?
just saying, Judge, yes, can the client be excused till tomorrow?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Okay, and can I be excused from the breakout room?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Judge.
Sure.
Judge, am I excused? This is Everett Gonzalez.
Yes, sir. But you need to talk to your lawyer.
Okay,
But
yes,
yes,
sir.
you're excused. You're
Thank you,
excused
sir.
as far as I'm concerned. Okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
And Judge, can I let the staff break for lunch? And you guys go ahead and break for lunch and come back at 2:30.
Can I address the judge before we do that? I just now signed that discovery on Angel Can 2, so we'd like to pass the case to a trial setting for now. You should see it in your email box, Judge Angel Cantu.
I haven't gotten anything in my email box all morning.
Well, rats. They cut you out of it, sir.
Judge, I just sent it actually to Norma because mine weren't going through earlier, so.
Okay. Well,
It's done though.
All right. Norma will give you a date.
Thanks, Judge. You take care.
You too.
Mr. Cantu, we're excused for now. Stay in touch.
Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Say, Norma, Marcus and I conferred on that bond, and I emailed it to you and to Judge Boyd. Do I need to send it to Judge Angelini also?
I have it. I printed it out. I'll give it to him.
Okay, so you don't need me for anything else then?
No, just on Henry. Luna, you'll be back in the
The
afternoon.
judge forfeited his bond since he didn't show up in person.
Okay.
Okay.
You check in this afternoon just in case?
Yeah, I will. I sent him a text to tell him to show up, so I'll check in either way. At 2:30, same credentials and everything?
Yes, you can zoom in.
That'll work. I'll check back. Thank you. Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you. And Mr. Moreno, I'm going to call the jail so you can have lunch and we'll bring you back at 2:30, okay? Hey, Ryan, we broke for lunch
I missed it. What time are we coming back?
at 2:30.
2:30? Okay, sounds
Yeah. Did y'all finish with Mr. Langlois? Oh, he's still talking to his client.
good. Yeah, looks like he's still in there.
Okay.
Okay, we'll see you then.
All right. Rebecca, we broke for lunch. We'll be back at 2:30.
Okay, and I excused Gaskin.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Mr. Lenguas. You're on mute, sir.
I'm on mute. Are we gonna have that hearing tomorrow on R.C. Curtis?
Just for the status of the writ?
Yeah,
Yes.
okay.
But Judge said she'll get you right away, sir.
What does that mean?
Once you come in, she'll make sure and get you in and out because she knows you're.
All right, so both Funk and I will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
What time?
What time can you make it?
Uh,
I think I put you guys down maybe at 10.
10?
Yes.
Okay, all right. My client is not willing to take a plea today, so just set it.
Okay. Okay, I'll give it a sunny date.
All right.
I'll just email you. Well, let me give you the date right now.
Just email it. My secretary will get it.
Okay, let me make sure on the RC Curtis, make sure that I'm not giving you the wrong time. Hold on for just a second. That's for tomorrow.
Yeah, I just told him for the second. Still haven't done the latest goes out.
Did you tell him? I told him you were busy.
I know, but I don't care.
You can do it tomorrow. That you only have one thing tomorrow. And what's your name? Adam is reset for the 7th.
Who?
Adam Gallon. Remember you got him at the Speedy Gonzalez court? He was there because I told him to show up. So they gave him a reset.
Oh.
This is the one about the combat, you know?
Yeah, I know. And
It's a
supposed
plea.
to have some other continuous thing. But nothing's
Nothing's been filed. So I think he said for a plea. And you know, Gonzalez has an opponent, so they're hiding.
She does.
She does. Where's Ronnie?